set I got recently at Toys R Us. I'm not gonna delete. So I'm just gonna quickly do the stuff so I can get it over with and just quickly do it. So, this set is one of the sets I need to complete my collection. Well, I told you guys in a previous video that I was actually, since I skipped Lego, or I stopped Lego for a while, that I missed out a couple seasons of Ninjago. So I decided to make it up by getting one set from every season. This is a set from a season that I already got a set from. So I'm getting this set because I also have a separate collection for Condrai like members. And this is the set to get because it has a lot of them. So I'm not gonna unbox here. I'm just gonna hop right into the. I'm just gonna review a couple things and pop right into the speed build. Okay, way back. Alright, here guys is the stuff. We have the manual, a couple bags, some stickers. Now, without further ado, to building. Immediately we shall get to. Alright, see you in a bit.